Hi guys, nice to meet you here. Today I want to show you one of the most beautiful and distinctive phone, the UMIDIGI One Pro, a compact flagship from UMIDIGI. So let's take a look and have an unbox video. The UMIDIGI One Pro is well packaged. When you open the box, you can see the thanks card and the UMIDIGI One Pro, the quick start menu, and the red USB Type-C with the fast charger. The UMIDIGI One Pro with a very high quality phone case, and on the screen of UMIDIGI One Pro there is a screen protector applied, so there is no need to put the screen protector by yourselves. As you can see, the UMIDIGI One Pro adopts the most popular twilight color and the notch cut out, so it has a pretty stunning look. So definitely, if you take out the phone from the pocket, it will help you stand out from the crowd. The 5.9-inch phone is really compact. It feels like a traditional 5.2 size in hand. Aluminum metal frame also tells good building quality, and the distinctive side fingerprint 2-in-1 function, meaning that you can start your phone by pressing the power button and unlock your phone by only one touch of the power button. The UMIDIGI One Pro has a dual roll camera, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Thanks to UMIDIGI engineers, this time UMIDIGI One Pro can provide a true dual roll camera, no fake dual roll camera anymore. UMIDIGI will growing and making better phones. There are some photo samples shot by the UMIDIGI One Pro. The UMIDIGI One Pro works really smooth, not the most smooth smartphone from us, but no lags in most of cases. UMIDIGI One Pro works Android 8.1, Android Oreo out of the box. You can play the PUBG game on the UMIDIGI One Pro and the UMIDIGI One Pro supports 15 volts fast wireless charging. It's amazing. Many of our users ask us to apply a better bokeh effect, an NFC function, and a global LTE bands for many other countries. Thanks to UMIDIGI great hard work, this time we made it. The moment you get the phone, we hope you can get a total different and wonderful experience. The purchasing links are listed below. You can choose the carbon fiber and twilight for the UMIDIGI One Pro.